Hello guys, can you hear me? I hope this will work. It's my first time in YouTube channel. Go stream live. Let me have a look. Let me have Okay, I see my colleague said I'm online now, so it's good. Look also. Wait a minute. I will grab my microphone. Okay, I see my colleague said I'm online now, so it's good. I will go to look also. Wait a minute. I will grab my microphone. Hello guys. I hope you can hear me. I will make a better version here. Okay. I think okay, I'm see my colleague said online. I'm online now, so it's good. Yes, I can hear me also in the YouTube channel. Let me see how many. Okay, I will go to look here. Also. Yeah, Farinda. Farinda Mesban, nice to meet you. We will wait a couple minutes to grab my more people here, and then we'll start. In today's webinar, I will do a hello guys. Modern I hope you can design. I will make a better version here. Yeah, and this design is basically for the beginner, so it's very easy project, and we make a vote in our trial group, Coohom Architecture group, to see which project, which type of project you like to see. And so we choose this one. It's a very easy modern building, a modern house. And we will do this within an hour to have this kind of design in Coohom Architect. Okay, let's start. Okay, I will start now. Let's see how many people here. Waiting for a little bit more time. The internet is not so stable. Okay, I will begin anyway. Here in this corner, we will see our new design tools, new house project. So if you want to have this entrance, you can contact the cool tools. Okay, click entrance here. Let's make a new house design. My internet is a little bit slow, so it takes a little bit more time to opening this software. And by the meantime, We can see this is the house. Basically, it has a shed roof, two floor, very simple, terrain in second floor. Let's call this ground floor or first floor anyway. So it's a very easy, very simple square ground floor here. And this is a floor plan. I already get it in my system, so I can use this for modeling. Okay. Here, this is the, let's say, the welcome panel. So today I will choose trace image because, okay, wait a minute. I think I'm reconnecting now. The internet is really poor. I hope this is the last time I disconnected. I already had this issue 2 minutes ago. Okay, I will shut down my desktop. Okay, reconnect successfully. I will see if the internet goes well because I reconnect successful.我已经关了。I think the internet goes well now. I will check the channel. It stopped. It's already stopped. Thanks for your feedback. Yes, sure. And the voice is okay? Can you hear me better now? And I believe there's no messaging already. If everything goes okay, I will continue. Now I believe the message is done. I shut the message down and I turn up my voice. It's okay? Sandra, is it okay? Let me see the feedback if it's okay. Hi, Steve Lu, is it okay now? The sound still go up and down? Okay, I will continue now because I got some positive feedback. Says that my sound it goes well, and I think we can continue the live stream now. If you have any feedback, type it in the channel. I saw 27 people is watching. Good. I think my internet is a little bit not so stable, but I believe you can see my screen now. Okay, let's do it again. You can do it with image input files, trace image. You can get the same page here. Upload floor plan. This floor plan is I get from the here. I'll get it, so I will upload it. You can choose all of them and open them in the system. So here the lowest floor is 1F, definitely yes. My colleague also said my internet is not good again, so maybe we have to stop the live stream and we will set our equipment to be better, and we'll come back. Okay, I will see here. Maybe I can type something here, I guess. Okay, I will continue then. I try to save time. Here you can see the blue ruler, and this is the unit here. Basically, it's a unit of your system. So if you use feet in your system, there will be feet here. You can see here, this is 21 feet. So 21 feet here. And do the same here. It's also 21 feet. Okay, and we can click import image to trace. Now we have two floors, floor 1, floor 2, and the 2 floor top. I believe we can understand this better, right? So this is basement, the ground floor. This is the second floor. Okay, we have the image. Now what we can do is trace the image as what we said before. Okay, so trace image like this. You can also change the thickness of the wall here. So maybe I can do it here to change it to 8 inch. So here. Okay, something like this. Very simple and easy, right? To 3D to see the kind of result like this. Go 2D, continue tracing the image. Change this to maybe 4. Okay, something like this, and also here. This one is not matched so well, so I can move this a little bit more like this. And also here. Okay, I think the structure of the ground floor is finished. Very simple and easy. And also we have a porch here. There's a lot of ways to do the porch. If you already see the tutorial we made in our official channel, we can do a floor plan, we can do a slab here. But today I will try to use roof divider, because the room divider can give us a room, so we can name it after it's closed. Okay, you can see here, notice the porch here, looks good. So we continue to the second floor. Here's a trick. You can select the image and remove it, because we want to make sure the image is perfect aligned with the lower floor. So here we can try to left lower, move the image to the lower floor's wall, and now it looks kind of matched with the lower floor. Lock it, lower the transparency, use wall. If you remember, we use this thickness, and draw the floor plan like this here. In this way we can align perfectly with the lower floor, so something like this here happen, and it's good. And also here we will use a wall to make the terrain, and the height should be very low. And also we can snap the lower floor here. It's very easy to have this kind of drawing now. Okay, yeah. We can also see here, this is the height of the floor. We can change it here if you think it's too high, but I won't change it now. And basically the main structure of the floor is finished. You can see here, right? 2 level, 1 full high, 1 terrain, and this is full high ground floor. Okay, we will add the roof here. In most cases, auto roof is already meets your needs. So here we can do like this, but my personal favor is change the angle. So basically here 0 means open it, so we can do 0, 0, and something like a shadow over here. I believe the angle should be 10 or something like this. Click generate, we can see it now, something like this, right? So basically if maybe within any problem so far about from import the layout and draw it in 3D, basically turn it into 3D, so something like this. If you think this roof is not that high, or you think the floor height may be a little low, so you can do it here, change it. We can try this. I will go to maybe 3 and confirm. You can see they will go down together. So basically if we go like this, they will go down together. So it's very easy to modify this model later. Okay, we will continue to finish all the structures and the facade designs. So this part, I will continue to draw the porch. It's covered, right? So basically on the, we have columns and we have a kind of shed here. I will do a column. Click here. Drag the corner and edge so you can see the size. Okay, looks perfect. Copy them. If you see the green line, so basically it's alignment, reference line to make you align everything easier. Okay, now let's make this here. Good. Something like this, right? Go to the second floor. So slab. So you can see here, this is the area we drew, lower floor, so we can capture it easier. So go here. You can do here, 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 here. Okay, the floor is done. Basically, the slab is done, and we can make it a bit larger, maybe 1 feet. Something like this, right? The column, we will do it a bit later. And now we will do the entrance door and the windows here. Go to 2D, first floor. We can see the doors and the windows position, so it's easier for us to make it right. Okay, I will choose this one and put it here. We can easily adjust the size and also make the flip. So you can see now it looks right. 3D like this. Okay. And also we need to put the windows here. Let's find some windows. In more windows, casement. Let's have a look. Let's find some larger windows maybe. It will be this one looks good. We can use this one, or maybe we can continue a little bit, maybe this one also. Let's say I will use this one. So here, drag, and we can see the windows, something like this. Okay, and we can also do the flips like this. We'll change the height a little bit later. We'll just put it right in the position in plan. Okay, so here this one is the small one, so we can choose a small one. This one is okay if there's something in the fixed window here, or French window. Okay. Which version is used of Coohom? This is a new design tool called Coohom Architect. Okay, so basically we launch new design tools, and if you want to use this tool, you need to give us your email and maybe account ID ideally, so we can open this for you. This is now in trial, so we can send the link in our channel. Okay, this is version of the 5. Yes, we will give you both the Coohom Architect and the version 5. At the moment, we only support version 5. Good point. Here we can have this kind of window. Let's put it here. Make it just smaller. Put it here. Okay. Something like this will happen, but we can do it
We can do directly drag it down and move it. Oh, we can change the things here. Okay, but now I will just move it a little bit more, so we can do this later. We just continue to finish all the windows first. Copy. Okay, and also here. And also we have this kind of single windows, so casement window. I just find a quite good one. This one here. Did here. Copy paste. Copy paste. Okay, and here I will use this one. Now have a look. Seems like we have the same height here. I will change this to 1 feet. Let's see, something like this, right? Or even maybe 1 feet 3 inch. Okay, looks good. And this one should be a kind of square, so 1 4 1 4 here. And we can move this easily to here, right? The green line here makes it very easy to align with the existing one. So here and copy, you can see here, so like this, and also like this. So basically we make this 3 windows here very easily, something like this, right? Okay, we will continue. Let's have a look here. Now I believe we can go to the second floor. Here will be a sliding door here and a window here. The window I will use this one. Put it here and here. Okay, and the sliding door. Here, right? Okay, so we will do the columns first. This is the column, right? I will use column. Very simple and easy. So we can see actually we can have a lot of different ways to do this in Coohom Architect. Here, this one should be a little bit lower, right? 7 feet, I guess. We can see it here. Something like this, I believe. Right? Like this. Okay. Let's copy it. Paste it here. Let's see. Yes, okay. And also something here. We have a lot of ways to do this. We can use column, we can use decoration, we can even use this column here. Make it very simple. This one. So I will show you all the ways. And paste here. Something like this we have, right? Okay. Let's continue. And I think I can make a little bit larger slab here. I will have a look. But now we continue to do the column here also. make it larger. Maybe we can draw a beam here, and let's change it to 1 feet here. Okay, go to 3D and 3 inch maybe, maybe 6 inch, something like this, right? And also here we can do it here like at 6 inch, so it's 10 feet and 4 inch. Put it here. Yes. And there's another way. If you want to make it perfect aligned, use the align tools. Wait a minute. I think I make a mistake here. Yes. To this one here. Wait a minute. What happened here? I believe I will see here. Okay. Alignment. This one and this one. Yeah, this is perfect. You see the line is right. And also here. A line, this line, and this line. Okay. So now it's perfect aligned. If we change the mode, you can see basically something like this, right? Which is correct. Okay. This part is finished, and this part, basically I will use decoration wall sweep. Wait a minute. I will on something. Maybe the internet is. I will save this project first. Maybe it's a little bit. Yeah, the internet is not so stable, so wait a minute. Successful. Let's change this to a modern house. One anyway. Okay. So let's go to decoration, wall sweep. Here I can see it. Wait a minute. I was logged out by some reason. Seems okay. Well, decoration, the wall sweep, but why there's still nothing here? This is weird. It's weird. I will do this a little later. Let's have a look at the library. The library looks okay. The material looks okay, but the decoration is not right. Weird. The column, still nothing here. Okay, I will. Okay, it's on. I believe it's on. Yeah, okay. Bad internet. Bad internet. So here basically we have a kind of a line we can use to around the element we have, like the column and the walls. So if you see here, something like this, we will make this kind of detail very easy in Coohom Architect. Okay, we will find the, let's find someone, maybe this one is also good. Here, this one, now maybe I can find someone better. Maybe this one is also good, right? Okay, something like this. And we can do it now. Copy it and choose one, choose another one maybe. Let's choose one here, here, and here. And also here. Okay, now we can change it here. Basically, we can see, we can unlock it and change the height to 2. Something like this, right? Also here, 2. Here, this one. Click done. Like this, right? And if you see here, the panel is larger, so we can change it here to make the column a little bit less. The spacing, go to 6 feet. Like this. Okay, looks good. Yeah. So basically, we already have all the elements we need here. Now, maybe here we can do some the makeup. Go to D, floor. Let's draw a slab here. 3D. So basically, we can see the column goes down. So we can do it also here. 2D. Sure, we have the recorded video. Yes, yes, yes. Thanks for your feedback. And if you have any problem, please feel free to type in the YouTube channel and we will meet your requirements as much as we can. Okay, I will continue. Slab here, square. Draw one here. One here. Oh, interesting here. Okay. So basically, we can see we make all the. Oh, here is missing. Slab. Okay, so basically you can see we make all this kind of slabs, right? And you see this is a little bit larger. Change it to this way, and it will perfect light. Cool. Let's continue to next step. I think now we arrive at the material part. I believe most of the facade is dark gray or black timber or cladding. So I will choose a kind of this material first. And it's loading, and loading. If we go to the wall and claddings, let's hope it will load in quickly. Okay. It really takes some time to load the material lines. Maybe in the meantime, a minute, I can do something else. Let's have the stairs. It's the same. Okay, I think we get it. Cool, finally. In the cladding, we have most used cladding materials here. So I will choose some claddings. Let's have a look. Let's see. Okay, like this. Looks good. And we can also find all kinds of claddings also here. So this one looks good. And we can make it with a larger here. And pass them to all the external facade. So basically in one or two click we can make all the facade the same material here. And now we should find some white claddings here. So let's see if we have some white claddings here. Maybe this one is good. Here, here. Okay, something like this. Right? The white one, the dark one. And we can also to do the stones here, right? Timbers here. Okay. Let's go to the timber or stone. Maybe let's see, the culture stone better. Choose this one. And put it all the way around this here. Maybe we can find even more closer one here. Let me have a look. Maybe this one. here. Okay, same with here. Okay, something like this, right? And timbers here and here. Let's find some timber. This time it's much faster. Okay, maybe this one, which is a vertical one. Okay, something like this. Okay, we have it. And here also. Something like this, and the final touch will be the surroundings here. Quite dark one here. Okay, let's go to the, let's find some paint here. We need a pure color, a darker one. This one looks good. Here, here. Okay, something like this. Something like this. I'm using this one here. Okay, something like this. If we have a look here, looks right. And also we can change here. Basically, if we want to make it more correct, change this to a square one. Square one, right? And also change the material maybe to external. Here, right? And also here, this one here, color, change it to here one, or even the interior one we choose, right? Both ends here. I believe it's darker. This looks better. Okay, something like this now. And to make sure this, let's say the glass is right, we can check it. Replace material. Here, this should be glass. Let's choose one. Maybe clear glass here, so the reflection looks good. Done. Also here. So we make it more correct about the transparency and reflection. Let's choose another glass here. Oh, clear. Oh, this one. Make better. Done. Basically, the material to thin models, yes, because we have a lot of repeated models here, so this is good. And also we can change a little bit dark material here. Let's try this. This one. Maybe should be. Let's see. We can go to the darker color. To this. I think we can see a serious paint. Okay, also some material here. Some here. Okay. Right. Okay, click done. Darker one here. Yes. I think the most part is finished. We have some details here, if you can see here and here, right? So basically we can in this we can also do two ways. We have decorations, just some square decorations put here, or we can also do the column here, right? I will do the column way first so we can see what will happen here. Okay, and make it a little bit small. Okay, you see it here like this, right? Looks quite good. Also here, column is in this part, I believe. Right, you can see here, right? Just a little smaller. Okay. Put it here. Go to 3D. You see not matching the roof, so attach the roof. And then we will have something like this here. Right? And we can use the material brush to make it a little bit more better. Okay. And now we have a kind of thing like this. This is stone here. Let's go to the material. Paint or stone. So we can choose one lighter stone. Let's see if we find some lighter ones. Okay, something like this now. And I think the most, okay, here it is a little bit where the thing happens. Timber. Here, change the direction to 0. Now we have something like this for the moment. And I believe we can go to rendering now for the exterior part. Okay. Maybe make it a bit larger. Good. Now click the render architecture. So basically we managed to finish the design within 1 hour, right? We start a little bit slow with fixing internet issue, the equipment bugs problems, etc, etc, but now we managed to make the exterior design within 1 hour anyway. I will do several renderings. First, maybe I will choose the, because I found in our trial group a lot of people like the house in forest thing, which a little bit surprised me a little bit. So I will use this one first. Okay, it's also a bit slow. Wait a minute. I believe something wrong here. Okay, okay, it's good. Yeah. It's good. It's coming back. Let's see here. Wait a minute. I think this one is not right. Not the right sense here. Okay. I'm getting there. Good. So basically in this scene we can also change the height and such stuff. To make it a bit lower, to touching the our ground floor here, right? And we can also do something like this. We can also move it to match here, to match it here, something like this, right? So let's render some image. So I will make sure reflect is open, so I don't need to care about the interior. It will kind of reflect the exterior stuff and make a 2 point, so make it perfect vertical somehow. And I will go to 4K render. I think the color is a little bit too sharp, but anyway, start render. Okay, here the dark color is sharp. Maybe it's not as good as we thought. Okay, there's one question from MDAD Atelier. How to model a house on a hilly terrain? So basically it's like not flat one, right? There are several tricky ways to do this in Coohom Architect. I will show a little bit, but we should know that the basement, I will call basement, this slab is more or less flat, but maybe we need some hilly, let's say, surroundings, some other stuff. While we are waiting for the rendering, maybe I can show you, right? So if you talk about the hilly terrain, we will have a kind of mock-up, let's say. I don't know if you know mock-up, but so basically as wait a minute, there's no slope here. Oh, maybe it's not that good, not easy to do this, but anyway we can mock it. If you have some flat area, use slab. Here, use slab, right? So because you can have the slab anywhere you want, you can offset it. Basically, if you have a half height stuff, we can even do it here. Add a height above, maybe let's say 4 feet. Not here. 4 feet here. Save. So we can have this height. We can draw a slab here. Let's imagine this is terrain, right? So we have a big terrain here, and we can have a little bit of slope. A slope. Now we can mock up by the menu roof. Basically, if you go here, draw the floor. Let's have a look. So here, choose if you see like this, so like this. So basically we can mock up a little bit like this, and we will have more comprehensive terrain feature, because you guys already talked about this a lot in our group. So it's in our further roadmap now for a really professional, comprehensive terrain design tools. But at the moment, it's very simple slope. Use this one. Done. And make it thick. Let's say 4 feet here. See, you can see here is also for. Oh no, not here. This is 0 is right. This one is 4 feet. Oh, not here. Here, I think this one is 4 feet. And offset to minus 4 feet. So this, right? So basically, you can mock up the terrains, and you can make the building, because you can do so many different work planes. So basically, you can relocate this kind of thing on different heights and mock up by anything, because it's tail here, but we can change it to grass and other stuff. Here. So basically it can be a kind of terrain. So if you have a quite simple hilly terrain, you can do it like this way. Yeah. Okay, now continue. Yeah. Okay, so after we make some rendering, let's first look at the renderings, and we can do some interior design. I will take some time to design. Yes, we have it. Good question. Multi-levels floor within the same floor, but you have stair up or down. I will show you after rendering. Okay, then I will show you the game. Maybe this is peak time for rendering, so it's a bit slow. This part is okay, right? We understand this one. And here, I will do this as a normal one first. Okay. Here, show building interior. Now we have the first ground floor here, right? In 2D, we have a kind of staircase. Let's do a staircase here. It's an arrow-shaped staircase. Basically, we'll choose this one. The direction is not right. I think it's not right. Here, we can flip it and make it right. Something like this. I will make it here. And let's have a look here. I believe the stairway is something like this. If I go to the second floor, yes, it's here. So in second floor, I will to draw a little bit. Yeah, it's the right position. Okay, this is the right position. Got it. Here. You can see here, right? It's the right position. It already looks good now, so we will need to open a hole in it. And that's it. Move it here. Align with the walls. So you can see them here, which is good, right? Done here. Yes, we can. We are working. I think we already released the new feature. We can use the personal library in Coohom Architect. Basically, you upload the terrain you made in SketchUp and load it into our floor, into our software. But the thing is, maybe the snapping is not that correct, because if you really want to snap on the very weird shape you made in SketchUp, especially in terrain, it have some problems. But if you just put it here and make some, let's say, the reference work planes and working on it, yeah, it's fine. You could work on it, yes. Okay, now I think the staircase is right, and we can adjust the steps and the height of it. And also, if you want to make perfectly right, you can even change the things here. I think we have let's see, here, this one, right? Okay, so basically we only have one, but actually we don't need, I think, both, because there's wall here. So I believe in the real life, if there's wall here, there's no need to have staircase like this. And the wall, we can make it a bit right. Into the wall here, basically we can do separate here. And select it, make it here, maybe 2. Or even lower, I believe 8 feet. Okay, something like this. In this case, you can't see it. So now this is perfectly right. Go up, go up. This is a lower wall here, and go up. Looks good. So we will go back to the up and down floors. Now we have the normal one, let's say, the first floor to second floor with openings and walls, maybe the handrails stuff. But how about the question you ask within one floor to have different heights? Basically something like this. I will make it an easy demonstration. We can have slab here, or we can have other stuff. So basically I will do something like this. Switch to level 1, which is 1, or we can rename it. Let's say the upper ground. Okay. Up. Here, okay, but why? Is it weird? Let's call it upper. Okay, so in slab we can make a slab here. So we have a height difference here, right? We can use the steps. What kind of step you want? So I will just show you a very quick way to do this. 2D. Yeah. So basically like this. If you want to go up, from upper to change the height, you can use the staircase, you can use step, whatever you want. Like this, right? So you can go really up to here. So we can have lots of opportunities or possibilities to change different levels. Or we can have it a step here, basically. I think you already get it, right? If I show this here, go to the first floor here, do it here. Actually, even without making this, we can also do this because we have offset here. So many ways to do. Let's go here, steps, step here. 2D. I like to change in 2D because it's easier to align everything together. So you can see something like this, right? Basically, it's you can do whatever you want here. Let's change these steps to 8 also. Okay, something like this. So basically, different heights within one floor, you can do whatever you want. And with the slope, and also we can do the roof, something like here, you know, the roof here, yeah. Okay, check rendering. Sure. Let's have a look at the renderings. Revit, no. I think we support SketchUp, which is SKP, 3D Max, and this is maybe mainly used two type of 3D models. So you need to convert your Revit 3D model into any of these two rendering and two models. So something like this, right? Oh, I make it a little higher, but it looks okay. It's quite common. I will change the scene to render again. This part I will make it higher. Yes, this is too dark, but we can have a kind of, let's say, another rendering. Let's have a look. Let's have a look for this thing. This thing also work actually. And let's do indoor lights open, reflected, maybe dust, and use this perspective. Let's have a look again. Let's make another quick renderings. 4K is too long. Let's go to 2K. Reflected, yes. Rendered. This one is okay. Maybe it should be a bit, dark, a bit lighter, but it's fine. I think here we have to make it a bit higher. Yes. Let's go to the interior design. Here you can design interior. If you finish all the exterior parts and the staircase specifically, because the stair is easier to do with different height and stuff as I showed before. So we can only focus on the interior part. And in interior part, you can also to put the, let's say, the doors and windows here for the interior, right? You can see, so it still works here, right? And basically, this is except this one. This is the Coohom, so everything is the same as Coohom. Okay, sliding doors. Put it here or here. Basically, we can do whatever we want, like we in Coohom. Okay, and we can, if we want to check all the stuffs, we can have a look. Basically, you can see all the things here. If you have this kind of problem, 2D, 2 floor, because in Coohom, every roof we made have a ceiling plane. So we will close the ceiling plane. 2D, and here with ceiling or no ceiling. So now we can see there's no ceiling here, right? And it's the same with here. If you really want to have the real height here, choose here, no ceiling, and we can have a look. So basically you have all the height you want. Let's go to the, and the wall, because we draw it in exterior, we can go to exterior to make it right. You can have the ceiling plane here, the flat one, but you can also choose don't have it. Wait a minute. 2D floor here, go to 3D, get in the room, and you can see this one. Touch it on the wall, touch it on the roof. Okay, something like this, right? If you go to interior, yes, you mean this part, right? I will go back here. There's different ways to do this. I believe you mean here, right? This first thing here. The most easy one, because we choose this, because in this case, it's will something like this here, right? You can see here, first. But if you don't like it, the very easy way to do is go to the line, so we can see it here. So you can go straight. So choose all the floors. We need to go to the outline. This is the most easy way to do it. Now it will go like straight, perfectly. I believe that's what you mean, right? Okay. And there's another way to do this. More, let's say, official way is add a terrain here to make the wall down to terrain. But I won't show it here because we can check the renderings and material first. You can see this kind of stuff, how to make terrain, how to make terrain. Here I will show this. This feature we explained it in the beginner's tutorial. So in this way, you will make the wall really down to the terrain, and it's more official with this. But for this case, this is okay already. Okay, so continue to let's maybe have a look at the rendering because it's 2K, so it's easier, faster. Yeah, sorry about imports Revit into Coohom. No, we don't have this ability at this moment. You can convert the Revit 3D model into another format, and we support SKP, which is SketchUp, and also 3D Max. You can try this too. So this one is much more lighter. You can see here. We open the internal light, but if we turn down the lights and more reflection, I believe it's much better. And also this color is a little bit weird. We can change it, but now I think we can. Let's do this first. Let's make another rendering. It's very fast, so we can adjust it the result as we want very quickly because we can see the results fast. Let's turn off this one, reflect it, which is okay. And I believe this material is not that good. Let's make some adjustment. Wall. Paint. Let's choose a color similar to this one. Maybe you can find another one. Let's see. This color's okay. Oh, this color is a bit more blue here. Maybe we can go dark here. Still this one. Okay. Let's go to rendering. Architectural. It's a bit slow. D. Render. Okay, let's have a look then here. And okay, the interior part is mostly same with Coohom, but I will do something like this here. This is our new ability for interior parts. Make it quick. If you use the onboarding, have you do the onboarding journey, let's say. So basically, we have the skylight, and basically we can also do it in here. Let's go here, the interior. Okay, here. This is finish to 3D. Here, and just make some very simple and easy furniture. Just show it because there are already so many tutorials about interior parts in Coohom itself, I believe. So let's find some stuff here. Maybe a table is okay. What happens here? Oh, this is a bedroom. Okay, interesting. Combination. Dining table. Do something here. And also for the renderings, actually I like to have some curtains here. I will show you something like this here. So basically we can render some image like something like this here. Oh, this one is not showing yet. You can see it here. So you can see the roof is pretty right. So you can see here the skylights, the roof and stuff, right? Just for showing, okay? Skylights, the roof, the slope roof, everything here, so you can render it. Let's see if we have the real render light. Wait a minute. I think we can have this kind of lights rendering here. Let's have a look. So basically you can see here, right? Skylights, lights, other stuff here. So the slope. So everything we can have here and make some interior lighting. It will be okay for the slopes part. Okay. And also here, right, the staircase is also perfectly aligned with existing stuff. And let's go back to interior. It's the only part I want to show for the interior. The advantage of the Coohom Architect, the skylight, the slope roof, which is very difficult to do in Coohom itself. Okay. Any more thing I need to demonstrate? Maybe the numbers. this one is better, right? You can see all the stuff. It's 2K, right? It's not that high resolution, but you can see if it's 4, it's okay. It'll be fine, right? Okay. And maybe another trick for the rendering, if you want to render some warm lights inside, what you can do is go to interior, and here we can find the curtains. Let's try some curtains here. Well, well, well. No, not like this. No, not here. Wait a minute. Let's have a look. Good. No. Fit here. I will find something like this here. This looks good. I will use this one. Here. Here. Floor. Yeah, I think that's okay. So now we can have some renderings also. I think it's almost 2 hours for this webinar, and let's make some fun renderings after we add some curtains in the design, and that's it. Indoor lights, openly reflected. Here we can go some dusk here. Right. Render. Let's have a look. Any questions about it? And if you have no questions, we will put our group link, WhatsApp group link. Yes, at this moment, no, but you know, Coohom is developing a new feature called real-time rendering. In that case, the interior and exterior rendering will come together finally in the future. At the moment, yes, the interior and exterior rendering setup is not the same, and exterior is a bit easier than the interior way. Yes, you're right. My Coohom doesn't show the new engine. You mean the new program, right? Do a night shot with more mood light. There's another way to do the light shoot. Some workaround. We don't have that much light setup in the exterior, but we are supporting the emissive material, which means the mood light basically will be something like this. If maybe it's not a good example, but I can show you. Let me see how I can show. Okay, maybe here. That's a good part, actually. In material, here, put it here, and in render you can see this. Let's go to render. Maybe I will make 1K so it's even more faster. So basically you need to build something and put the emissive light on it. That's the logic we have for the exterior rendering. There's not that, let's say, the light itself, lighting element, right, interior, but you can do something like this. I will show you maybe in night. Here, I don't know if we already got it. Maybe 1K quickly. Render. Yes, because the setup is not that much. As I said, the interior and exterior rendering engine will come together in the future. So if you have curtains, it will be much better. Let's say here something like this, and the lights will show here. I think I choose the. I think I choose the dusk or not. Okay, let's have a look here. Let's see, because 1K should be much faster. Any more questions about renderings and other stuff? Sure, I just click the night one, right? But it's only 1K, so let's see. Let's see what will happen. And I think we will have, we also have the construction drawings ready for the end of December, basically. Maybe 3 weeks or 2 weeks. So we can also export the drawings, like the elevation drawing and stuff. Maybe I can get you some reference drawings. Wait a minute. I will log in here. Wait a minute. So basically we can produce something like this directly from the Coohom Architect, the floor plans, roof plans, elevations for all the elevation and also sections. So let's see. Drawings like callouts and sections. Sections we have it, yes. The elevation and section is quite the same in our system. So as I showed, we have elevation, we have sections, callouts. The callouts maybe we need some, let's say, detailed drawings by yourself, and you can upload into our system. We cannot directly create the detailed callouts, but the section elevations, yes, and we will have this feature within, let's say, 1 month. This is not interior. This is let's have a look here. This is not right. Wait a minute. Maybe something wrong with the time stuff. We will have a look about it. We can see the lights here, and some lights here, but the environment is still the daylight. I don't know why. Maybe we will have a check. It's already 2 hours, and we will put the daytime renderings in our trial group. Maybe you can join our group, the WhatsApp group, so we can continue the feedback, let's say. I think something's wrong with the night. We'll have a check. It should work. It should be a night scene. I think that's it, right? If you have more questions, please join us on WhatsApp group, and we will answer your question directly in that group. Okay? So we will finish this webinar today. This is a first webinar about Coohom Architect. I believe we have more in the future. So thank you very much, and bye bye. Thank you very much.